Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to factory reset OBS Studio by clearing all its configuration files and settings. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure OBS isn't running in the background before we proceed. In the bottom left corner of your screen, click on the Start button or the Windows icon, then type Task Manager into the search box. Once you see Task Manager appear in the results, go ahead and click on it to open the application. This will show you all the programs currently running on your computer. Now, look through the list of active applications and find OBS Studio. Once you locate it, right-click on OBS Studio, and from the menu that appears, select End Task. This will completely close the program and ensure that none of its files are locked or in use, which is essential for the next steps we're about to take. Next, head back to the bottom left corner and click the Start button again. This time, type Run into the search box. You'll see the Run app appear in the left panel of your search results. Click on it to open the Run dialog box. This tool gives you quick access to various system folders and locations on your Windows computer. In the Run dialog box that appears, type %appdata %exactly as shown. Then click the OK button. This command will take you directly to your app data roaming folder, which is where OBS stores all of its user settings, profiles, scene collections, and configuration files. This is the folder we need to access to perform the factory reset. Once the folder opens, locate and double-click on the OBS Studio folder to open it. Inside this folder, you'll find all the data that OBS has created and stored during your use of the program. This includes everything from your custom settings to your saved scenes and sources. Now, here's where we reset everything. Click on the first folder or file in the list. Then press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to highlight and select all the folders and files inside the OBS Studio folder. This ensures that every piece of configuration data will be removed during the reset process. With everything selected, look at the top of the OBS Studio folder window and click the Delete button. This will remove all the selected files and folders. You might encounter a message saying that some files are unable to be deleted. If that happens, don't worry about it. Just leave those files as they are and continue with the process. The important thing is that most of the configuration data will be cleared out, and that's it. The next time you launch OBS Studio, the program will automatically recreate all the necessary folders with completely default settings, just as if you had installed it for the first time. Your OBS is now factory reset. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.